Welcome to 119 Crestwood Circle Way, in Cosby, Tennessee. The professionally landscaped yard, with its pretty blooms and welcoming front porch, invite you to come on up and sit a spell. The open concept great room, with kitchen and dining area, features a Franklin stove, perfect for those chilly winter nights. The tongue and groove cathedral ceiling and windows allowing the natural light to fill the room adds to the spacious feeling of the cabin. To the right of the kitchen you will find the laundry mud-room combo, with space for a full-sized washer and dryer, and conveniently located off the two-car well-insulated garage. Down the hall from the laundry room is the private, primary bedroom ensuite, with dual vanities and a large jetted tub. The walk-in closet is well organized with plenty of storage space. The gleaming tongue and groove ceilings have continued from the great room and reflect the natural light flowing in from the sunroom. This room is the perfect place to begin your day. Enjoy a cup of coffee while you take in the mountain views. The galley-styled kitchen is well appointed and efficient, with stainless steel appliances included. You have everything needed for the chef's triangle. The covered deck is conveniently located off the kitchen and is wonderful for entertaining. Mountain views and barbecue. Life doesn't get any better. The current owners are music lovers and have opened up one of the bedrooms to be used as a music room. It can easily be converted back into a bedroom. The other bedroom is also located on this side of the house. As you can see, the tongue and groove walls and ceilings have continued throughout the home and add to the cabin feel. Follow the steps leading downstairs past the half bath to the partially finished basement, and you will find a quilter's dream. It would not take much effort to finish this area and make it your dream space. Have you been considering a woodworking shop, or a game room? Perhaps you need extra space for extended family. This basement even has outside access and a fenced-in area for your four-legged friends. Stonebrook is a beautiful, highly desirable subdivision located in Cosby, Tennessee. Homes are well maintained and yards are lovingly landscaped. Owners and guests have full access to the clubhouse, swimming pool, tennis court, basketball court and best of all, a waterfall with a swimming hole perfect for making summertime memories.